everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging out with me a bit today. We're kicking off outfit of the day, what I wore. You get a week of outfits, you get a lot of PA weather and a little bit of life in there. So I sure hope you stick around, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. If you're new, I'm Laura. I have furry sidekicks. Wyatt's the white puppy dog. Zena is the tan. If you see a kitty, that's Harvey. All right, so it is Sunday morning. It is 65 degrees. It's supposed to get up to 81 today. The sun is already really bright and strong, so it feels much warmer than 65 degrees already. It's going to be a beautiful day. And to kick off the week, I picked a casual outfit. I have AG boyfriend denim from a Trendsend. I have a t-shirt, or tank top from, I'm trying to think, where is this one from? What does that say? Hopefully you guys can see it better than I can. I got this one also from a Trendsend. And then I paired it with this jacket because I thought it was going to be cool this morning, but I probably don't need it, cut from the Kloth, and it came from a Wantable. And then for shoes, you guys have seen these enough. These are my Tory Burch Millers in the gold love, very comfy. And then for jewelry, I didn't put any on. So it's a typical Sunday. I got a video I want to film for you all and get ready for the week. So I hope your week starts out amazing, and I will see you tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Monday already. It came so fast. And it's raining today, so I am in the house. Wyatt's joining me. Harvey is here too, so you may see him. Here he comes. Hopefully you're catching him. And Zena's asleep. Like I said, she's heading into retirement mode here. She's really not interested. So we'll let her do whatever she wants to do. Her birthday's coming up in November. She'll be 16. Yeah, and she's doing well for my little girl. And today my armoire posted. So fun. I love these rental styles. They're so fun to try. It's nice to get outside of your comfort zone and put things on that you probably wouldn't pick for yourself and just see how you like them and then return them for something else. So I do really enjoy that rental subscription. Suggest checking it out. Just some fun pieces, but you can certainly tell your stylist whatever you like to get. And for my outfit today, I wasn't in the mood for a Monday, to be honest with you, so I am totally casual. I have on cut from the Kloth shorts that I think I probably got in a Wantable. And then I have on a bralette that I also got in a Wantable, and a top from Free People I got from Nordstrom. Threw on my shoes you've seen a lot of, my Tory Burch Millers, and my necklace that I got in a curator. I have my bracelet stack on, and somebody asked me about my bracelet stack. So I have really been enjoying this particular bracelet stack. So these two in the middle are my permanent bracelets. So the thinner one that I got on my trip to Wantable, and then this one I got for my anniversary. This bracelet is a Louis Vuitton, and my son and his girlfriend bought it for me. And then this stretchy bracelet right here is from Karma and Luck, as well as this one. They were purchased when my husband and I went to Vegas. My whole family went to Vegas, so he got those for me. This bracelet I have had for many, many years. My husband bought it for me. And this one is a recent Louis Vuitton bracelet that my husband also got me. So I like stacking them and wearing them since they all have meaning. That's a wrap today. I will see you tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday, time for outfit of the day. I'm inside again because it has been raining off and on all day long. It is 72 degrees though, that is the high. It's supposed to rain, I think, pretty much until the weekend. Hopefully it doesn't on the weekend. And let's see, Zena had to come in and get her sweet potato fries. Wyatt's eating a sweet potato fry. They're all happy. Harvey's prowling around. And my outfit today is Z Supply pants that I got in a Wantable. I have on a Nations top. You may remember it's the sleeveless top with a little ruffle. You may remember from a Trendsend. This BlankNYC jacket is also from a Trendsend. This one's from probably a few years ago. And then my Tory Burches I threw on. And for jewelry, I have on my Luisa necklaces. And I put on a different bracelet stack. I did black, white, and gold this time. And I think these are from a Trendsend. And that is my outfit today. Hope your week is going well, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday. We made it over the hump. It's been quite the day. It is the end of the day for me, so instead I love to do this in the morning or in the early afternoon when I don't look so, I don't know what the right word is, exhausted. We'll just use that one. It's the kindest one. But it's the end of the day. It is 6 o'clock for me, and the day was a rainy one. It was so cold. It was just rainy, not cold, just rainy. So it's 71 right now, high of 73. Wyatt's joining me. I don't know if you can see him, but that's it. And I chose a comfy casual outfit. I have on Pistola shorts I got from a Trendsend. I have on a tank top from Good American. Then I threw on this Faherty shirt over top, which has been perfect all day long. It's been like, I've been the perfect temperature today. Somehow I did it right. You've seen so many of these already, but I had on my Tory Burch Millers because they're super comfy. My bracelet stack. My necklace is just my name necklace. It was a gift, and that's it for today. And let's see, it's Wednesday, so my Stitch Fix posted. Such a good one, right? It was so good. I did keep all 5. So good. Hope you're having a good week. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Thursday, time for outfit of the day. I'm getting to this first thing in the morning this time. 65 degrees, getting up to 77. The sun really isn't out yet. It's kind of gray and gloomy at the moment. It was raining earlier this morning. And I got up early to get moving because I have a doctor's appointment first thing this morning. I chose a one and done since I'm going to have to get undressed. So I have a loft dress on. Paired it with, you guessed it, because these just go with everything, my Tory Burch Millers. And for jewelry, I put on a Luisa necklace. I have the hoops I've been wearing and my bracelet stack. And I'm set to go. All right, well, tomorrow's happy dance time. Wyatt's getting ready, and we'll see you then. Guess what day it is? It's Friday. We made it through another week. Friday. Wyatt's such a good sport about his happy dance, isn't he? And he's learning new moves all the time, huh? Huh, Wyatt? You're such a good boy. You're such a good boy. So we'll still inside because it's still raining. I think we're probably going to see rain for many of the next few days just because of the hurricanes. My thoughts and prayers are with anyone who may be impacted by that. It really looks like it was a very strong hurricane hitting some areas really, really hard. So I hope everyone is safe, and my thoughts and prayers are with you all. It's Friday. It's been a long week for me. I'm feeling incredibly tired this week for some reason. So I'm glad that the weekend is coming. And let's see. For outfit of the day today, I chose a skirt from Blue and Gray, the Loft, and I chose a RD style top that I just got recently in a Wantable, which I'm really enjoying. The temperature's nice outside, 72. Like, it feels nice out. There's just no sun. For shoes, I grabbed these Dolce Vita, pop of color. I feel like my feet are tired too, so I haven't been going with I haven't gone with heels lately either. Just feel tired. And then for jewelry, I threw on earrings from a Curator. I have on a necklace from Rocksbox, my bracelet stack, and that's my outfit today. All right, well, we got one more outfit this week. We've made it into the weekend. Hope you're doing well, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Saturday and time for final outfit of the day. I came outside to end the week. It is cloudy. It is 74, gonna get up to almost 80 today. It's breezy, a little bit cooler, but we'll see how this goes. The wind kicks up, but it feels nice. Zena's joining me, little miss. She has a treat she's enjoying. Harvey's out here, you might see him. Wyatt's here as well, so a good wrap up to the week. And my cup she haul posted today. I hope you check it out. So many affordable, fun fall pieces that you really need to check out. Love the skirt. I even really like the skirt. The sweaters are so fun, so check that out. Somebody's making some noise out here, of course. And for today's outfit, I chose a JB Stylebox dress from Mustard Seed. And my shoes are Dolce Vita, you may remember from a Trendsend. I have on earrings I think I got from FabFitFun. And my regular bracelet stack, which is the permanent ones, that's it. And that is my outfit today. I didn't put a lot of jewelry on since I have a try-on to do. And I was hoping to potentially get in the pool since I'm almost out of days now, but we shall see. We shall see. I'll list all my outfits down below as always. If I can link specifically to an item, I will. Many come from boxes, so I'll list all the boxes. And I can't wait to hear what your favorite was this week. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. I hope you had fun. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I'll catch you next video. Bye-bye.